GardX GoMaintain Cosmetic Maintenance Plan. Nothing ages a vehicle like the minor damage that accumulates with time on the road. GardX GoMaintain Cosmetic Maintenance Plan provides periodic maintenance inspections to your vehicle's bodywork. You can book your vehicle in at the dealership for a full cosmetic inspection, and where needed, treatments will be carried out to repair minor chips, dents, scuffs and scratches. Drive away with peace of mind and keep your car in showroom condition with GardX GoMaintain. Ask your dealer today. Protect your pride and joy. Go with GardX.